only. Okay. For your initial, okay, for your initial investment of 11,500, makukuha mo 30 soaps. With that 30 soaps, isahin mo, okay? You'll be getting 15 stencil, 3 love soap, 3 honey butter soap, 3 10-in-1, tatlong slimming soap, and tatlong oatmeal soap. Total of 30 soaps, value is 15,840. With this investment, kumita ka na outright ng magkano? 4,340 profit already. Can you imagine a business outright kikita ka agad? Win-win na with this?
Yes.
But with the promo, okay, with the promo, you'll be having additional 12 soaps. Yung 12 soaps na yan, okay, with the 12 soaps, meron kang tig-dalawa, 2 soaps for each variant. Meaning to say, since we have 6 soaps, that's 12 soap. Okay? Ang value niyan is how much? It's 5,856. I-add mo yung 15,840 worth of your original package plus the promo of 12 soaps of 5,856. Magkano binalik sa'yo ng Global Fusion outright? That's 21,696 pesos. Magkano ang kinita mo dyan? That's 10,000, okay, 196 pesos. Win-win?
Yes.
Pero kung win-win to, do you want your investment to be double?
Yes.
Gusto mo ba with same number of effort, ita-times 2 natin yung kita? Gusto nyo malaman kung paano? Okay? The investment will be higher. Ang investment natin, instead of getting 11,500, okay, with the 11,500, simple lang naman yan eh. Diba? If this is Nick, remember, sa point system matching, left and right lang siya. Tama? Is it possible for you to be able to have Nick 100 more people? Posible ba? Hindi mo naman ito kukuhanin lahat eh. Our business is all about duplication. All you have to do for you to be able to earn sa point system matching is to get at least 2 people. Okay, 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Okay, kung 104 ang tao mo, may 52 sa left, may 52 sa right. Posible? Kaya? Kayang-kaya. So kung may 52 sa left, 52 sa right, ano mangyayari dito? Mag-prepare lang to, times 1,200, magkano kikitain ni Nick? That will be 62,400 pesos. Magandang kita na. Siguradong pasok na dito kasi it's a win-win investment for all of us. Tama? Okay. So paano natin i-times 2 to? Do you want Nick i-double to with the same number of effort? Kaya. Paano? Your investment will be 34,500 pesos. For the 34,500 pesos investment, outright, the company will be giving you 90 soaps. Kasi 3 G1 lang yan. And for the 90 soaps, okay? For the 90 soaps, ang value niyan, okay? Lumalabas 47,520 pesos. Dito pa lang kumita na. May promo. So kung merong 12 soaps each D1, ilan ang libre niyang sabon? 36. 36 soaps. Ang value niyan is 17,568 pesos. So total outright, nag-invest ka ng 34,500, binalik sa'yo ng Global Fusion is 65,088 pesos. Dito pa lang, wala pa tong networking. Wala pa tong negosyo. Ikaw pa lang ito. Correct? With this 65,088, meron ka pang 2,200 check commission after a week. So, ang total na binalik sa'yo ng Global Fusion for a 34,500 investment will be 67,288. Halos dumoble na yung investment mo. The big question is, eto, umpisang bonus pa lang. Paano natin madodouble yung income mo? Gusto mong malaman, Nick? Okay, with this, okay? Same number of people, if this is Nick, okay? 104 people, ang mangyayari dito sa Nick times 3, Nick 1, Nick 2, and Nick 3. Ikaw lahat yan. Okay? With this, okay, 104 people, ang mangyayari lang, is it possible for you, Nick, to get at least 4 people? 4 people or 4 groups of people underneath your organization. So, 4 na tao lang, 4 na grupo lang. I-divide natin yung 104. This will be 26, 26, 26, and 26. Okay. Nick 1, di ba left and right lang to? So, kung left and right, meron 26 plus 26. May 52 sa left si Nick 1. May 52 sa right si Nick 1. So, Nick will earn 62,400. Nakakasunod? Question. Nick 2, may left and right rin ba? Meron. Meron 26 sa left, may 26 sa right. Nag-pair to. So, si Nick 2 kumita na 31,200. Next. Question. Nick 3 ba may left and right rin? Meron. Another 26, 26, nag-pair. Nick 3, magkano kinita ngayon? 31,200 again. So, a total of 124,800 pesos. Nag-times 2, dumagle. Okay. So, ang last natin right now is paano natin pitriplehin yung kita. Okay. With this, okay, all you have to do is to purchase 7 accounts. 7 G1. Investment is 80,500 pesos. Okay. Ang maganda naman dito, yung 80,000 pesos, ano ba yung kapalit? Diba? Yun yung importante malaman. Sa 80,000 outright, you'll be receiving, okay, 280 soups. With this, okay, ang value nito is outright 110,880 na agad. Nag-invest ka ng 80,000, may 110,880 ka na worth na products na kailangan mo lang i-move. Okay? With the backup of paami doctors and the celebrities, napakadali lang ito ibenta. Even online, sobrang bilis niyang maubos. Okay? Di ba may promo tayo? Dahil may dosing sabon sa kada G1, the company will be giving you additional 84 soaps. Okay, with the 84 soaps, do you want to know how much is that, the value of that? It will be 40,992. Saan ka makakakita isang negosyo na bibigyan ka?
But 280 pieces, diba 7 times 30, 210 lang.
Sorry. Okay. 210. But the value is the same. 210, okay, is 110,880. Okay? Sa 84, okay, na free soap, saan ka makakita? Bibigyan ka ng 84. 40,000 value. So, ibig sabihin, kung nag-invest ka ng 80,000, binigyan ka kalahati libre. Win-win?
Yes.
Sobrang win-win. So, ang total nito, ang balik sa'yo sa investment mo ng 80,500 will be outright 151,872. Plus, after a week, the company will be giving you a check commission of 9,000 pesos. So, ang total, okay, ng value ng 80,000 investment mo na ay 160,872. 100%, 200% value for your money. Maliwanag. Yung 80,000 mo, naging 160,000 agad-agad. Maliwanag. But with this, okay, ito, initial bonus pa lang. Ang tanong, paano natin mati-triple yung kita natin with the same number of effort?